Okay? Let's dive into the surprising science of how a new life is nourished in its very earliest days.
So how is an embryo fed? You might think it's obvious, but old textbooks actually got it completely wrong.
For years, the assumption was that the mother's blood feeds the embryo right away, but that's not what happens.
Here's why. Mom's blood is packed with oxygen, which can create damaging free radicals at a very vulnerable stage.
All that oxygen can actually harm the embryo's cells and in some cases even lead to birth defects.
So nature has this really elegant solution. It creates a special low-oxygen environment to keep the embryo safe.
And here's how. Cells from the placenta form tiny plugs inside the mother's arteries, blocking most blood flow.
This brings the oxygen pressure way down to a level that's perfect for organs to start developing safely.
Right, so if the blood is blocked, where are the nutrients coming from? It's a fantastic question.
Well, the answer is a totally different system called hystrophic nutrition, and it has nothing to do with blood.
Early scientists actually had a really fitting nickname for this special secretion.
Yep, uterine milk. It's this perfect cocktail of sugars, fats, proteins, and essential growth factors.
And the pathway is brilliant. Glands release the milk, special cells absorb it, and the yolk sac delivers it.
But then, right around the 13-week mark, the entire system completely changes.
It's called the big switch. The system moves away from gland-based feeding to direct blood-based nutrition.
So, why then? Because all the critical organs are now built, and the fetus needs way more energy for rapid growth.
Remember those little plugs in the arteries? They just dissolve, and suddenly the floodgates open for full blood flow. This new science is a huge deal. It completely changes how we understand early pregnancy and how to protect it.
It's really a perfect two-phase system. First, it shields the embryo, and then it supercharges it for growth.
It really makes you wonder, what other secrets about our own beginnings are just waiting to be discovered?